Today I'm going to show you a simple traditional method that gives you pure natural black seed oil, exactly the way it has been extracted for centuries. If you love natural remedies and DIY oils, this is one video you don't want to skip. Let's get started. I started with 1 cup of black seed, very tiny, deep charcoal black seeds. As you can see in my palm, these seeds are small, but they are extremely powerful and rich in oil. Next, I added the seed into my blender and blend them until smooth. This step helps to break the hard seed coat and makes oil extraction much easier. Once blended, I transfer the powder into a cheesecloth and tie the mouth tightly to prevent any loss. Now, to soften the seed further and help release the oil, I place the wrapped black seed powder into my steaming pot and allow it to steam for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I turn off the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Now it is time for the real magic, oil extraction. I remove the paste from the cheesecloth and transfer it into a clean plate. For better control and maximum oil yield, I use a small pocket-sized cheesecloth. I feed it with a portion of the steamed black seed powder, twisted it very tightly, and secure it firmly with a thread. Then I place it into my manual juicer. As I press the juicer down, you can see the oil slowly and beautifully dripping out. I keep lifting and pressing repeatedly, applying steady pressure until the oil is fully extracted. Look at that, pure, dark, rich black seed oil already forming. I collected the oil in my container and continue repeating the same process with the remaining steamed black seed powder until everything is fully pressed. And please, do not throw away the leftover chaff. They still have value. We are going to use them for something truly amazing in another video. And here we have it, 100% pure black seed oil, extracted naturally, with no chemicals and no additives. I simply transfer the oil into my storage container and it is ready for use. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural DIY oil methods and formulations. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.